What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
We're working on a grapevine. So, y'all, look what I found. Look at these velvet lovelies. And I love mixing a real bold with a real soft. So these are like frosted lamb's ear. So I really, really like the mint against the red, just that real stark contrast. So let's get started, y'all. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these up and get them ready. Let's see if, we can just get them all in, bring them to life, and then glue them. Go through while I can still see at the bottom of each of these stems and go ahead and glue them in. I'm gonna stop right here with the greenery because I can always add more if necessary, but check that out. Let's go ahead and add some of these frosty berries in here. So I got a couple of those cut up. Let's go ahead and weave some of these through there. Friends, you paid for every inch of that stem. Bring it to life, okay? Bring it to life. Weaving these through here, filling it out. I love it. I've already got some good bend and twist on them, which is nice. Super fun. Look at how this is filling out so far. Okay. Awesome. Now make sure that every time you buy picks or sprays or greenery, that little guy is wired all the way through so that you can manipulate it to go where you want. Wiring is vital. Berries are flying. Okay, here we go. All right, let's rock a bow, friends. I drop my bows to the ground, or my ribbon to the ground when I'm working with it. Okay. So I kind of make it a point, you guys, to make between May, June, July, I make 5 Christmas designs at least. Just tell myself make 5. Just to get ready for the season. Try this in. Loving it. All right, now I'm going to alternate some reds and silvers. It's a really bright berry red. I was going to say it's slightly lighter than berry. It just pops. It's just so pretty. I'm a big fan. Big fan. All right. There we go. Make sure my ears are the same size. Warm. Okay, now I'm going to come across with just some good old silver lame. Give it a nice pop of color. I just like the way silver and red go together too. It just pops. And this lame is shiny. Ooh la la. Ooh, look at that. So when you're rocking the same colors and different textures and patterns, that's money, friends. Fun. So fun. Last but not least, I started with birch. Let me end with birch. Might as well. Well, let me try that in first. Yep, I need some more birch. Soften it up. Woo! Lots of loops. Okay. fun that is. Woo. Okay, let me grab a zip tie. This is a big, thick operation here. Let's make sure it stays in place with a zip tie. I don't trust pipe cleaners. Gotta go heavy duty. We're going with zip tie. All right, let's go ahead and fit this little guy in here. More zip ties. Got it. Ooh, that's fun. Y'all, it's coming to life. Can you see it? Okay, here's where we are. The bow's not fluffed, but here's where we are with the placement. Little dovetails up in here. Oh, girl. So cute. Very pretty. Okay, so I'm just dovetailing these ends. Let's add some pops of these poinsettias. Poinsettias that pop. Okay. Now, grabbing my stone cutter. Let's get nuts. I always cut these at an angle because I don't use a pick machine. And if I cut it at an angle, it gives it a good sharp point to get on in there. First things first, I'm covering up my guts. Those places where we bundled the ribbons together. I've got new ribbon on my brain. Y'all ruined me. Okay. So put those at a good angle. Woo! Okay, here we go. Rubbing this. Oh yes. Gotta match. And this is our last one. Okie dokie. What would it be without some snowflakes? Okay. So fun. Last one. Let's jump it in down here. Remember what I said about everything being wired. You can manipulate it exactly where you want it as long as it's got a good wire. Last but certainly not least, I found these ornaments that are adorable. So I am going to just hang these throughout the design with just little zip ties. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just plastic, sweet little ornaments. I'm gonna go ahead and hang right from some limbs. Not the star of the show, just something in there to give a little more texture and color and depth. I kind of want one in the middle of this bow. Hold please, let me pick it up and see what's going. Oh yeah, that's going in the middle of the bow. For sure, for sure. Too cute. So I'll make sure to stick my ornament right down in there. Lots of glue. Okay. Okay. Love a good zip tie. Make life so much easier. Ooh. Oh, this was really, really fun.
So pretty.
So fun. Let me step back because it's hard to get the whole thing in there.
So pretty.
Oh. I love the way this red pops against this minty color green. It just really makes it stand out. I love that mint and red together. It's just super, super pretty. All right, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. All right, you guys. Have a great day.